Hello, everybody. Welcome to our database architecture and programming class this semester. I just wanted to spend a few minutes kind of going over the layout of the course. This is our Brightspace course website. I have my profile here and just some information on my profile here. If you wanted to go check me out on LinkedIn, you can get this link here. In general, you see the announcements will be on the left. It's right here, and down below on the right hand side, you see all the different content and widgets. However, you can also go to these just going to the content. Just going clicking on the content link. So right now we're on course home. So if you click on content, you'll see that you have all these informations here. So table of content I have, if you click on syllabus and courses, this will take you to the syllabus. This has the sequel book that we're following. This is the older version, but it's free. It's a PDF. That's why I kept it. But if you wanted to buy the new version, feel free to do that. But this will be just as good because sequel is a uh, timeless work, so to speak. I also included Tableau student guide, so you don't really have to buy any Tableau book or anything. Should be able to just navigate uh, this resource and should be good enough for you. I have my contact information, my weekly hour office hours. If you click on it, you will see a Zoom link here. Um, while this is the designated office hour this semester, sometimes we might have to change it. However, you're always free to reach out to me for an appointment because this may or may not work for you. We have the course learning objectives here, course outlines. I'm gonna look at the outline very quickly. It gives you the course outline, just like kind of ideas about what topics are being covered here. And then, so this is the one that's more important. You'll see that you will have in general, there are four projects. Each of them will be 125 points worth. We have weekly assignments, 20 points each, and we also have this discussion boards, which are about, generally speaking, 10 points is calling data in context weekly discussions. Um, for the discussion bit, it, this is as long as you participate, you'll get points for it. So, and the way it will work for discussions is that um, the way it will work the discussions is that you do have to post your own original um, post and then you respond, make two responses either to the same post or or you two separate posts. Anyhow, another thing to mention about the late policy, even though it was in the assignments and grading, but in general, uh, the penalty is 20% if you still turn it in within 2 weeks. But if you're later than that, I'll evaluate that on case by case basis. But if you know your schedule ahead of time, please reach out and let me know, and then we can work around things. Um, and then you can just navigate this, like, we have week one is mostly about setting up your environment. So we need to set up our MySQL Server environment. We also need to download download the workbench for MySQL. That's for week one. Week two, we're gonna be going into some SQL work. There's some instructions there. If you're having trouble, please reach out. So I know it kind of goes through all the way to your final project week. Um, uh, that's it. Thank you. I'm looking forward to spending uh, the semester with you, not only teaching but also learning from you. Reach out if you need any help. Thank you.